Welcome back. A tempo traveller caught fire in a garage at Raya on Thursday morning. This tempo traveller was operating a school bus. The bus caught fire when it was under repairs in the garage. The owner of the bus has estimated loss of 1.5 lakh rupees. The bus was gutted down to ashes before the arrival of the fire brigade. This tempo traveller was gutted down to ashes on Thursday at Raya. It was about 10:30 in the morning when the bus caught fire. The bus was under repairs in the garage. This bus was carrying school children to their respective schools. The bus was owned by one Bartholomew Costa. The bus caught fire when welding work was in progress. The mechanics from the garage tried to extinguish the fire, but the fire was uncontrollable. The bus was down to ashes before the arrival of the fire brigade. The owner of the bus had estimated loss of 1,50,000 rupees. Our special correspondent Arvind Tengse for Prudent. Youth Congress will hold a rally to make people of North Goa aware about the benefit of direct cash transfer scheme of the central government. North Goa district is among 43 districts of India which have been selected for the pilot phase direct benefit transfer.
As central government's direct benefit transfer scheme has been implemented as pilot phase in North Goa district, Youth Congress has geared up to claim it as an achievement of UPA government. In this process, Youth Congress will hold 2 days long bike rally to make people aware about the benefit of direct transfer of money under various schemes into the beneficiary's account.
This is the awareness program which is our UPA government, that is Congress Sarkar, ते करपा लागला ते अवेरनेस हाडपी आमी हे 2 दीस नॉर्थ गोवांत रॅली करून आनी आमचो रूट आसतलो की 13th आमी प्रिऑल स्टार्ट करतली आनी वी विल बी गोईंग इन 10 कॉन्स्टिट्युएंसीज ऑन द फर्स्ट डे.
North Goa district is among 43 districts of the country selected for the pilot phase of direct benefit transfer money system. These are the 10 schemes which are being rolled out for Aadhaar number based direct benefit transfer in Goa.
10 are applicable in the North Goa district for direct benefit transfer. The first is post-matric scholarship for SC students. Second is post-matric scholarship for children with parents in unclean occupations. Third is post-matric scholarship for OBC students. Merit cum means scholarship. Fifth is post-matric scholarship for minority students. Sixth is national means cum merit scholarship. Seventh is national incentive for girl child for secondary education. Eighth is Indira Gandhi Matritva Sahyog Yojana. Ninth is Janani Suraksha Yojana. And the 10th is post-matric scholarship for ST children.
Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
State security agencies are testing their preparedness. Sagar Kavach security exercise was held at sensitive public places across the state on Thursday. A fake terrorist was planted in the exercise. The mock drill will continue till Friday.
Sagar Kavach exercise was held at various public places across Goa on Thursday. The exercise is held regularly to check the security preparedness of Coast Guards, Marine Police and Goa Police. A mock drill was held in Panji on Thursday. Being a public holiday on Gudi Padwa, there was not much traffic and the drill went on smoothly without creating chaos in traffic. Vasco being the main harbour city, intense Sagar Kavach exercise and search was carried out in the coastal areas with a thorough check of canoes and boats. Coastal police had an intense operation of thoroughly checking identity cards of onboard crew and identification of the canoes. Police sources informed that the fake terrorists were traced, arrested and the boat was detained by the police in search operation. This exercise is monitored by the State Chief Secretary. Reporter Surendra Madkekar with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
The High Court has taken strict view on the complaint regarding atrocities on jail inmates by jail staff of Central Jail at Aguada. The High Court has directed Principal District and Sessions Judge North Goa to hold an inquiry and to file its report.
After hearing a petition filed by a person who is jailed in the Central Jail Aguada, the High Court of Bombay at Goa has directed Principal District and Sessions Judge Panji to hold an inquiry by any additional Session Judge of North Goa in the matter. The High Court has given a time of 8 weeks to file its report. Petitioner Rajendra Singh has filed a petition before the High Court alleging that he has been assaulted in the jail by the assistant jailer and jail guard. Petitioner has also sought compensation. The High Court observed that to decide about the demand of compensation, it is necessary to check the facts. The matter will now be heard on 19th of June. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.